Dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Previously, we have finished two parts of the topic, the question tags. Now we are moving to the third part. In this third part, we are going to discuss some advanced points in making question tags. These are all called special cases. We are going to discuss some special cases in writing question tags. In this particular video, we are going to learn how to write a question tag when the sentence is with I am not, let's, let them, etc. Okay, let's move to our topic. See the special case. If there is be form verb yam is in positive sentence, we use aren't in question tag. I repeat, if there is be form verb yam is in the positive sentence, we use aren't in question tag. Actually, see this example. I am writing a novel. According to the rule position, according to the procedure of writing a question tag, we should write the be form verb in the beginning. Actually, okay, there must be yam. Okay, there must be yam. I am writing a novel is a positive statement, so we should add not amn't. Then the subject is I. Okay, so the answer must be amn't I. But that is the old usage. According to the modern usage, amn't I is replaced with the aren't I. Okay, that is the modern usage. So don't write the question tag as amn't I when there is the be form verb yam is in the positive statement. Understood? See the next question. I am a lawyer. In this sentence also the be form verb is yam, but don't write the be form verb in the question tag. You should write the be form verb are instead of yam. I am a lawyer is a positive statement, so are plus not aren't. Then I is the subject pronoun. You should write subject pronoun here. Finally, put question tag in the end. So the answer is aren't I. Okay. So the question tag for I am is aren't I. See the next one. Here, if there is a be form verb that is yam is in the negative statement, we use yam in question tag. Previously, I have told you that if there is yam in the positive statement, yam is not repeated, we should write or in the question tag. But here, yam is in the negative statement. If that be form verb yam is in the negative statement, the same word yam is repeated in the question tag. See the example. I am not working there. Here the be form verb is yam, but this is negative statement. So yam is repeated in the question tag. So don't write or. So yam subject pronoun is I. This is negative statement, so I have written the positive question tag. Understood? If there is a positive statement with I am, the question tag is aren't I. If there is a negative statement with I am, the question tag is am I. Here also I am not an Indian. Here this is a negative statement. So question tag is am I. You follow the same procedure. Okay. So finally we can say that the question tag for I am is aren't I. The question tag for I am not is am I. Have a look at the next special case in question tags. For sentences with let's, we use shall we as question tag. If there is a sentence beginning with let's, we should write question tag as shall we. Actually, the short form of letters is let's. Let us letters. The short form of letters is let's. Let''s. See the example. Let's do our homework. Let's do our homework. In this sentence, the sentence begins with let's. So we should write question tag as shall we. Okay, you don't write shalln't we. We should write shall we. Let's do our homework. That is a kind of suggestion. So we should write the question tag as shall we. See the next example. Let's learn. Let's learn English. Here also the sentence begins with let's. So the question tag should be shall we. So remember it, my dear friends. If there is any sentence beginning with let's, directly you can write the question tag as shall we. See the next one. For sentences with let him, let me, let them, let her, then you should write the question tag as will you or won't you. Don't write shall we. Okay. See the example here. Let them do their homework. Let them do their homework. Okay. So there is no let us here. If there is let us, we should write shall we. Here let them. Don't write shall they. We should write will you or won't you. Both are right. Okay. Next one. Let me go for a walk. Let me here. There is no letters here. Okay. Let me go for a walk. So the answer should be will you or won't you. Understood? Once again, if there is a sentence beginning with letters, we should write the question tag shall we. If there is a sentence with let them, let me, let her, let him, the question tag should be will you or won't you. Let's see some example. Question tag with let. See the first example. Let's buy a house. Here the sentence begins with let's. So we should write shall we as question tag. Okay, because here let's is there. Okay. Next one. Let's go to a party today. Here also there is let's. So the answer, the question tag should be shall we. Next one. Let them drink milk. Here there is let them, not let us. So the question tag will you or won't you. Next one. Let me eat meat. Here also there is let me, not let us. So there is let me. The answer should be will you or won't you. Next thing. Let us have a party. Here let us. So we should write shall we as question tag. Let's learn what we have learned in this video. The question tag for I am is aren't I. The question tag for I am not is am I. The question tag for let's is shall we. The question tag for let them, let me, let her or let him is will you or won't you.